Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to schedule a meeting for someone like your friend, teacher, colleague or manager. Now I have started my Zoom app, then I will go to schedule meeting and I will select the time and date when I want to conduct the meeting. So the date is 21 July and I will select the time. The time I will keep is 17, that means 17:15 till 17:45. Use personal meeting ID. Yes, done. It will automatically go to the email and if you wish to send an email to invite the participants, you can do that. But I will send the link to my participant on WhatsApp. So I will go back. I will add to calendar Zoom meeting invitation, Sana Khan Zoom meeting. And now over here I will press this icon, text, and I will select the WhatsApp option. And I will select my contact to whom I wish to send the invitation and I will send it. Now you can see this is the invitation sent to my friend. Now as I click on it at 5:15, as I have selected this time, the meeting will start. I hope this video is useful for you all. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.